So facts about forgiveness that people don't know. So there are facts about forgiveness that you and I don't really know. So let's jump into it. Now, number one fact is that forgiveness doesn't destroy our memory. You understand? And this fact is based on what I've seen. You understand? Because most people think that if I offend someone now and I ask him for forgiveness, that means that it will what destroy my memory or it will hurt my memory. No, it doesn't work that way. Now I want to remind you that we have two types of mind in the human body or human brain, anyone wants to call it. We have the subconscious mind and what the conscious mind. Now the conscious mind is the one that you are aware of presently. It is the one that always tell you what is currently going around you. So when you look around you, you are conscious of what is going on. That is what the conscious mind, and the subconscious mind is the one that facilitates or bring up something. Do you understand? So now when someone offends you, it comes into your conscious mind, and your conscious mind will start repeating that sin. You understand? You start repeating that sin, and then it now transfer it to your subconscious mind. That is when you now have to make it as a choice to either forgive and let go of the offense or the person. But if you choose not, it was stored at your subconscious mind, and that is when it will not become a problem for you as a Christian. Do you understand? Now, the conscious mind will pop up that event each time you see that person, each time like certain things of that nature repeat. Are you seeing it? So that is why I always say that forgiveness does not what destroy our mind, but it is what a choice for you to choose to either forgive the person or what and let go of him. Do you understand? So the subconscious mind also houses our past experiences. You understand? So those past experiences that you have had in the past, your subconscious mind also what house them, like it stores them. That's why sometimes when someone did something, even good or bad, you would remind them. That is what your subconscious mind. And mind you that the Bible said in the book of either this man said that don't let the sun go down because of what anger. That means you are not allowed to be anger for a long as a Christian. Do you understand? So if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe.